You gotta shake shit up, you gotta work a little fucking harder. Drive more clicks to your site, but Facebook's traffic is always going to have better engagement. You know what I mean? Like it's a difference, because you think like the frame of mind, the mindset of the customer when they're on Google is that they're actively searching for something. They have a question, they're looking for an answer, okay? When the mindset of a consumer when they're on Facebook or Instagram, which whenever you see Facebook, it's both Facebook and Instagram. So it's just a totally different type of mindset, totally different type of customer. So it's why it's never the answer of one or the other. It's always a combination of both. And we're always looking for kind of a 70-30 split, and in actual clicks, and we pretty much almost nailed it right there. What the hell are you doing?
Why do you give things away for free?
I don't like using the word free, but I do not charge for a lot of things.
Why?
Because I don't have to.
But like, what's the idea behind it?
Well, it's not just meeting someone's expectations, but exceeding someone's expectations. So if I choose not to charge for something that brings them a substantial value, that gives me an opportunity to exceed their expectation. So yeah, that's probably what it is. It's my drive to want not just meet the expectation, but to exceed the expectation. You know why I think I'm the black sheep? And I think there's a handful of us black sheeps actually in the vendor world. And the reason that we get called the black sheep is because we actually care. And we're willing to put our money where our mouth is and show people how much we actually care about this industry. I find that that's the reason why we ultimately get marked as the black sheep of the industry. Like, I mean, you know how many people have told me, like, it's ridiculous I don't charge, that I don't have a master class, and I don't charge people to, give out this content because, their livelihood is coaching and training, and someone should be paying for this information.
Ready to roll?
Yeah. Where are we going?
Old Marina?
Old Marina. Here we go.
That's where
Let's
you wanted to go, right?
Absolutely. Okay. Cold beer and a big old monster burger with cheese ewing and gewing out all over the place. You know what I like? Those burgers there. They purposely let the cheese come out of the burger, so then the cheese falls onto the grill and then makes it super crispy. It's been 6 years.
6 years.
You think they still do it that same way?
Well, yeah, we were just there 2 weeks ago.
Okay, so they do it the same way.
I love the fact that you guys are doing this, highlighting local businesses and, really just, getting people proud about some of these amazing local businesses, including your own, right? But yeah, you're going to have to get it down to a process where it's you go in there, you're capturing your 12 to 14 shots.
Yeah.
That way, it's just boom, 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 right? So think about, you're always going to have one product or two, right?
Yeah.
Each product, you're going to get what type of shots you need out of that product. So you're going to need the story shot.
Yeah.
Like, how the heck did you guys come up with it?
Yeah.
Right.
Then you need probably,
which is the business itself.
You're going to have business shots. I think there's multiple stories that always have to come into each play, and the funny thing is the same stories also behind your guys' dealership as well, right? There's the story of the product, there's a story of the business, right? Then there's the story of the people. So those are the three stories that you're looking to get every single time you go to do one of these, and then within each of those, there's probably 3 or 4 shots. So when you're doing your people story, right, you're going to get shot A, B, C, D. When you do your product story, you got shot A, B, C, D. That way,
like you can get everything you need probably in the first 20-30 minutes, and then if you still want to hang out for the next 2 hours, hang out for the next 2 hours. You might pick up a couple little extra things that you throw into a
unique
piece.
to just those people or something along those lines, that business or that product.
Yeah.
Like, I remember when I had this burger for the first time, right? I had no idea what it was going to look like. The way my customer was describing it to me, I didn't know what idea. And, I can remember where I was sitting, what shirt I was wearing, and exactly when this burger was delivered out to me, right? And that's what it was. It was a memorable experience. I remembered it so much that I can remember what I was wearing and where I was sitting, right? And I remember the weather of the day.
It evokes an emotion.
Right? And that's what it does. And you've successfully established what you want to do when you make something memorable, right? And that's again where our business, where our business links into all these other businesses, right? We're all trying to achieve the same thing, right?
Trying to be memorable.
You're trying to make it memorable. You're trying to create an experience and make people happy. Why do people come out to dinner? Why do people buy a car, right? Right? Yes, there's a need. Yes, I'm hungry. I need to eat. Sure. Yes. Hey, my car's dying, or I need a new car. I just got my license. I need a car. I get it. Yes, there's a need always there, but what you're trying to do is create that emotion around them being there through the environment, through the service, through all of that.
Jonathan, are you coming up here?
No, I'm gonna let Jason drive me.
You would. All right, Jonathan. Where are we going now?
39 Air Court.
Okay, I'll take you home, sir. I better be getting a fat ass tip.